Kaseng Samla Pule Haskul Ba Bapaunam Kajila, Northeastern Hill University Students Union, Nehusu, Haka Arpo Sautarik Jalio, Kalapanlong Yake election Banjit Thama Yaki Nongkit Kam, Nakabanta Usnam Arhajar Arpo Sao Hado Arpusan. Daki Hajar Mut Kisamla Pule Kilashim Banta Hakane ke election, Daka Jing Shongshit. Haka Janmid Arpo Santarik Jalio, Returning Officer David Pingro, Ula Penbena yaki kertong ki balara yaka thong jingjob hakmat ki hajar ngut ki samla pule jong kane ka school ba. Usamla Sandy Sotun naka Adult Continuing Education Department 4th semester ula syajid komu President Bathamai dakaba penliem ya usamla Kenny Karbithai naka Law Department 10th semester daki South Spa Sanpulai vote. Usamla Sotun ulayo Shihajar Shispa Lai vote, but Usamla Karbithai uyo Driuspa Sanpo vote. Kadba Usamla Tony Ho S. Karsati Law Department 6th semester, ula syajid kum General Secretary, dakaba penlim ya Usamla Bantamdor Karbhi Political Science Department 2nd semester. Kasamla Riki Day Buram Rabon Environmental Studies Department 2nd semester, kala syajid kum ka Vice President Dakaba penlim meka samla Pibari Shisha Nong Besap Tourism and Hotel Management Department 2nd semester. Habakran berkinong thok khubor hadian kajing penbena yaka result u General Secretary Bathamai ulong kani ka kunhun Bathamai jong kan nehusu kan budit yaki mat ki bayadei bat ka rukom I marks ne ka marking system hakane ka school ba ulong ka marking system hakane ka school ba kadai ka balarim usamna Karsati ulong kani ka mat kanlong ka phang banyakran hadu bangin da penurlong bat poi syakathong bangi angnut ulong ru bandum syong that bandawa na ki bor kan nehu ban penbiang yaki hostel ki bos ban pendap iki jaka jong kinong hikai bala syong that.
All present here. So we have come to the final stage of the election process. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the students, the voters who have come out to vote yesterday in spite of the weather condition, in spite of the schedules of exams and all. And it is in the history of the university that the election has been extended up to 6 p.m. yesterday. Considering the students who have exams, practical exams up to 4 p.m. So we have extended the voting time till 6 p.m. yesterday. And I should thank all the students, all the candidates for cooperating with us. So thank you so much. Now, before we declare the results, I just like to say a few words. We are here as a university community. We work together, the administration, the staff, the students, we try to work together to uplift the image of the university. And in the contest, there should be a winner and there will be a loser. So I congratulate all the candidates for having come forward to contest in the election. It shows a healthy environment in the students' community. And I take the opportunity to thank all the support, the teachers who are in different communities, different committees. We have the election commission, we have the grievance redressal cell, we have the election committee. So the support and cooperation from all the teachers, all the members, that is very, very important in making everything, in conducting this election in a smooth and peaceful way.
Dengan syabi yang ini boleh teraikan dah, kalau ailat ini dengan syajid hari ini apa, berkunjung kena berok jauh sekolah bah, berlayo kita berbentabut entah ke parti ke tim ke jungi, ke thong ni ke jungi kalau bah wanda ke jingkelah ke universiti ke PI, nudu ki por sistem di balale, kajingduna kadan be kumki recruitment lu bungi nong hikai bigila dap song thai kim ju sha group cho kumki facilities kumki infrastructure bungi infrastructure ru andala du no kim ju penkeliang cho te na kaliang jungi la snai ka manifesto ko ni campaign te petikana ru mata bangin asya kumki nong yalam juga ni usu ni petikana bangin peturlam ita ki manifesto ada ngimla 100% ru dong nu phablo kene ko ni petikana ban peturlam bai nakaliang jungi hi kini no isu ki bakta i kena sama kuliah ki basa ko school ba ki hostel in petikana bang ni dan course ko ninya yaksa nanta kini ki isu ki ba kta i kena kuliah hostel kumki kabam te kumjo kumki infrastructure te nakaliang da jungi in petikana ba in treistom ba kumjur min manra kajingkala ba kena sama kuliah kinyo ya kata kajingsup ba kata ka facilities ba kidi banyo kat kum ka university kumbangi tep hi kubas muchwa ka bubun te manta kina nang hiar ba kina nang du te kat kum ka UGC kila kren ba kimnum pen kimnum aila cho ita bus ba kan provide ke university te nakliang jungi nila buah ke manifesto lada ke university kamla shu ban thiet ki bus ne la kamla shu bakin wai ki bus in petikana banginya yo banyi sulap na bat ka sor ka state government bangin pen yelong collaboration na bakin ki stem bus
kabaidi berarti makin sistem orang Indonesia mau bagani kamakin sistem juga ni kadi outdated tangba kum gaji bersang jengi ro kum misajid makin nong yalam thamai jengi ni tingir kum bersang bakatu kamakin sistem kaba ki nong yalam ki barin ki bagi khemla wan pen problem e kata ngin ya macam prang ba ngin ya try ba hakapor jengi ro min push ke administration min push ke ni hi bahkan kan pen urlong ni kata khnang bagi khna ni ki ba pulih ke school ba ni kin yo ikata ka equal opportunity kum bayak ki school ma Central University of India.